Have you ever wanted to step back in time? Welcome to Bath, a city bursting with attractions. Bath captures the charm of its Georgian roots. It was adored by figures like Ralph Allen and Jane Austen. Explore the UK's only UNESCO World Heritage City. You can traverse centuries in just a few steps. Start with the Roman baths, built in AD 43, and experience ancient relaxation. Stroll past stunning architecture like the Royal Crescent and Circus. Or visit the Jane Austen Centre to celebrate the city's literary legacy. Is this your first time in Bath? There are numerous fascinating museums to discover. Number 1 Royal Crescent lets you experience Georgian life firsthand. The Museum of East Asian Art showcases unique cultures through art. Bath is also a perfect base for nearby attractions. Explore picturesque villages like Laycock and Castle Combe. Discover the wonders of Stonehenge's ancient stones. Bath is a lively city where history meets modernity. Enjoy a vast array of restaurants offering gourmet dishes and delightful street food. Relax in stylish cocktail bars or traditional pubs. Experience vibrant nightlife with comedy, live music, and theater. Enjoy jazz at Green Park Brasserie or catch a performance at Theatre Royal Bath. A visit isn't complete without a spa experience. Soak in the natural hot springs that have attracted visitors for ages. Thermi Bath Spa offers rejuvenating treatments and stunning views. If shopping is on your agenda, Bath won't disappoint. Discover unique independent shops alongside top high street brands. We've barely covered all that Bath has to offer. Take your time. Consider turning a day trip into a delightful short break. Visit midweek to avoid the crowds. Plan your unforgettable journey to Bath today. Have you ever wished to travel back in time? Welcome to Bath, a city rich in attractions. Bath showcases the beauty of its Georgian heritage. It was loved by notable figures such as Ralph Allen and Jane Austen. Discover the UK's only UNESCO World Heritage City. You can journey through centuries within just a few steps. Begin at the Roman baths, established in AD 43, and experience the essence of ancient relaxation. Wander past remarkable structures like the Royal Crescent and the Circus. Alternatively, visit the Jane Austen Centre to honor the city's literary heritage. Is this your first visit to Bath? Countless intriguing museums await your exploration. Number 1 Royal Crescent allows you to immerse yourself in Georgian life. The Museum of East Asian Art highlights diverse cultures through their unique artistic expressions. Bath serves as an excellent hub for nearby attractions. Explore picturesque villages such as Laycock and Castle Combe. Also, discover the historical wonders of Stonehenge and its ancient stones. Bath is a vibrant city where history harmonizes with modern life. Enjoy a wide variety of restaurants that serve gourmet dishes and tempting street food. Unwind in chic cocktail bars or classic pubs. Experience the lively nightlife featuring comedy, live music, and theater productions. Savor jazz at Green Park Brasserie or enjoy a show at Theatre Royal Bath. No visit is complete without indulging in a spa experience. Relax in the natural hot springs that have drawn visitors for centuries. Thermi Bath Spa provides revitalizing treatments and breathtaking views. If shopping is on your list, Bath will exceed your expectations. Explore unique independent stores alongside well-known high street brands. We have only scratched the surface of what Bath offers. Take your time, consider extending a day trip into a memorable short getaway. Visiting midweek can help you avoid the crowds. Start planning your unforgettable adventure to Bath today.